Hello everybody, I'm Richard Dawson from Cheshire Digital. This is my quick weekly update on reflecting on some of the key insights and trends and the moments from last week and looking ahead to the new one. So last couple of days I've been clearing out my garage and reconfiguring my office, and I found paperwork and possessions that remind me that I've been working in digital marketing for 20 years. In 20 years, I've seen a lot of change, of course. When I started, Google was 2 years old, and Amazon only sold books and was branching out into selling CDs. The dot-com boom was in full flow, promising us a revolution and suggesting a wholesale move to an almost online-only world for business to business and business to consumer. Well, that didn't happen, of course. The boom became a bust, and the move into the digital space when it was very slow indeed. In the COVID crisis and the lockdown, so much of the promise of the dot-com boom has finally been fulfilled. Perhaps not 20 years worth of change in a few weeks, but certainly I think nearly 10 years of change in a few weeks. So last week I talked about this big shift in e-commerce for business to consumer. Management consultants McKinsey published a survey of businesses earlier in the month, which showed that businesses have reached what businesses have reached, what they call the inflection point, no me neither, for digital in the business sector. So their survey of businesses was across 11 countries in 7 sectors and 14 categories, and it revealed that the crisis has seen business-to-business companies now see digital interaction as 2 to 3 times more important to their customers than traditional sales interactions. Almost 90% of sales have moved to a video conferencing, phone or web-based model, and more than half believe that this is equally or more effective than the sales model they had before COVID-19. The survey also found that sales leaders on average rated digital channels approximately twice as important now as they were before, with decision makers in Spain and the UK rating them even more highly than that. That's a very big change of mind. Imagine if just half of those decision makers don't change back to their old ways. So I'd like to speak to smaller and medium-sized businesses, business-to-business decision makers, especially in manufacturing, and see if they think we've reached a turning point. So looking ahead, I'm looking forward to another busy week with meeting with clients and contacts. If you want to know more about how I can help you or your business, or you just want to have a chat and get some advice on getting good at digital, get in touch with me at cheshiredigitalmarketing.co.uk. Message me on my Facebook page, on Twitter or on LinkedIn. Search Richard Dawson Digital and you'll find me. If I can finally ask you a favor, I share this vlog on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. So wherever you see it, please follow me, subscribe on YouTube, give it a thumbs up, a like, a comment, and even better, a share. So here we go for the next week. Please stay safe, carry on taking it a day at a time. Thanks for watching all the way through to the end, and I'll see you in the next video.